That's the most I've made in one trade my whole trading career.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. I done bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Chat GPT your trades, bro. He finna make 100 bands.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
If this candlestick body closes under this fair value gap, I just lost a fuckload of money.
We're gonna see how this fair value gap on the 1 minute gonna hold. If it hold, I may go in for that long gap. We're gonna see the push we're gonna have. We're gonna see if we can have a good push. I'm gonna go ahead and take this.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to episode 1 of Life Before Fortune, bro. Which this series consists of me basically documenting and trading every step of the way to me reaching 6 figures this year. And every step of the way of me reaching 1 million within the next 6 steps. This is just me documenting my journey, and that is me building myself from the ground up all the way up to the person that I desire to be. Today is Sunday and the market just opened. I don't trade on Sundays. If you do, I'm just gonna break down to y'all what I'm gonna be filming. For one, as y'all know, I'm gonna be filming my trading journey. I'm gonna be filming, me hitting the gym, working to gain and obtain the desired physique that I want or that I aim for. Everything is not gonna be about trading. As of for right now, I do have a live account and I do have a strategy. So I'm gonna just go over that with y'all real quick. And yeah, so let's hit these charts real quick and then I'll see y'all tomorrow on Monday, bro. I basically trade reversals, bro. So after price sweep liquidity, buy side or sell side, I get a break of structure or a reaction off of order block or fair value gap, and I end up entering in and catching a move down or a move up, depending on, how stuff is going. That's basically my strategy. I get a liquidity sweep and a break of structure or a reaction off a fair value gap or order block, and I enter in on the move down or the move up. That's basically it. It ain't too much to explain, bro, honestly. I only trade New York session and I only trade NASDAQ. I have to lock in because this is my life, my story, and my destiny. This is the introduction of my life before fortune, bro. So y'all tune in. I gotta reach 100 bands by the end of this year, bro. 6 figures in a year. Y'all tune in. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Focus up.
Everyday hustle like William, I'm charging the chicken just for the verse, yeah. I get in that kitchen, I could go to work, I go berserk, yeah. Go out and get it, secure the city, can't sing like the Titanic. Bitch don't want my free band bandit. This paper coming to me 24 hours, I can't go sleep. I know the power of $1, told 50 rounds that is. She know I can manage, she know. Soon as I up, let's go. Just like double alone. Stay down with me or let me go.
All right, y'all. Today is Monday, man. The start of all of this. Market about to get ready and open in about a minute. I also do have EMT school at 10 o'clock, so I gotta leave home around 9:30ish. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to find a way to manage all of this, and yeah. This is NASDAQ, this is ES. As y'all should know that ES and NASDAQ kind of correlates with each other. You can get an SMT from either one. So for instance, okay, so right now, as y'all can see, NASDAQ is pushing for these highs right here, right? And for ES, it's not really going up that high. It's not making it to that high. So right now, what ES is telling me that it's not gonna have the momentum to push all the way up to sweep these highs. ES is not reaching these highs right now. NASDAQ is still pushing up. Okay, so this is gonna have a move down first before this. It basically telling me that this is gonna have a reversal and this is having a reversal, then. So my plan is to just sit here and see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna just set my camera up and enjoy my trading session, bro.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Fighting for your life, spin by the house pillar. Bare face, just like I'm Lil Critter. Body snatchers, wig splitters, cap pillars, grave diggers, snake.
All right, so as of right now, we are getting something, but I'm looking for something in specific. This red tent right here, that's a 1 hour order block right there. Here, this is considered a order block because it was a move up and then that little impulsive move down right there. So if I can get a tap into that area right there and then a down closer candle, I'm gonna go in for a sell, a short position here because we swept liquidities. Okay, news hit. I want to wait again. I want to wait some more now. Ain't no rest to a C. Older me would have entered in right here. I would have entered in right here on this counter closure here because there was a move up and then we got move downs right here and they had closed below that last wick. So I would have entered in there and got stopped out. So yeah, that's why it's good to wait now. Honestly though, I'm probably gonna have to end up leaving pretty soon because I gotta run to 2 different stations. Well, yeah, so I'm probably gonna leave a little bit early. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna trade off my phone. So I'm going to connect my account to my phone, and when I'm driving, if I see something, I'm gonna just enter in, and then I'll just screen record or whatever and let y'all know what went down. As y'all can see in that that screen recording that I just had right there, I think I just bagged around like 70 bucks. Yo, I had one break even and the other one was a win. So today was a W, bro. Today's a W. I did all that driving, dude, which is not recommended to do. Don't trade and drive. All right, I'm pulling up at school right now, so y'all just tune in, bro. Y'all gonna see me when I'm done with class, man. All right, well, I'm back from class, bro. I'm back from class. I ended up taking 2 trades today. One was break even and the other one ended up being a win. So I hadn't journaled yet, but I'm about to get ready and do that to see how much I did make. So at first my account was at $311. Right now my account currently sits at $387. The first trade I took, I ended up getting out at break even, which was $4, and it's fine with me. A win is a win. I didn't have a loss today, so we up, baby. And my second trade was a $71 gain. So in total today, I made $75. My account is up $49. This is how my stats looking so far. We're gonna see how we're gonna end this week off, bruh. Honestly, that's it, bro. That's all I got for today, man. I went to class. I know I have to study. I ain't got nothing else to do as of right now. I traded. I made my bag, and I went to school, studied, took a test, passed it. Today been a pretty green day for me, so I take it. I'm gonna take it and run with it. Good morning. It's finally Tuesday, bro. Today's Tuesday, the second day of our trading journey, bro. Also, this is week 1, so yeah, I'm headed to work, and sometimes I may not have a chance to, hop on the camera and do what I gotta do. I was just having a little memory that when I first started my journey, bro, I was so all over the place. Like, can y'all believe that I was up placing trades at 5, 6 in the morning, bro? Like, I ain't know nothing about market open. My ass will be driving up at 6 in the morning on my way to work, placing trades and stuff like that, bro. Like, with no volatility, I just be placing trades, and sometimes they'll hit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes they'll hit, but most of the times, they'll either flop or I'll break even. But yeah, man, I've grown a lot in my journey, bro. I was just sitting here thinking how I'd be rushing to get to work so I can sit somewhere and place a trade. And back then, bro, I ain't gonna lie, everything to me was just about getting inside of a trade and possibly making some money, bro. I most definitely grown a lot. I was just reflecting on that, man. So yeah. While we wait, we have trade. I really have a high feeling we gonna sweep these high time frame liquidity areas today. Yeah. Kent PD to Kenton Fire. Go ahead.
Yeah, just one of ones going in and out. She advised she breathing, but you lose conscious.
10-4. What station that is?
I think station 4 or 3. So there's the McDonald's.
Next station 3. You copy that traffic, station 3?
Paper up.
10-4.
Move turn.
Kenton 5, station 1. All right, back to it. That's 10-4.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't take it. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true.
You know I gotta do it, bro. I live for this shit.
Kitchen open for personnel stand by for morning radio check.
Gotta do that morning radio check.
Rescue 1.
Rescue 110-2.
Ladder 1. Mobile 1.
Mobile 110-2.
Mobile 1, 2. Engine 2.
All right, now that I'm done with rescue checkoff, we should be good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna sit here and let my camera charge up because it's about to get ready and die. So once my camera charge, we're gonna be back at it. Y'all lock in, bro. Lock in. Lock in. Oh man.
Bro, ain't no way.
You know, so crazy.
What you find out, Turbo? Hold on a
It'll
minute.
tighten this for 5 minutes. So it says I did all that. Tighten this for 5-minute execution so we can execute in a 5-minute. Sniper mode activate.
Oh shit.
I should do Alpha Futures.
I do Alpha Futures. Well, I did Alpha Futures. I no longer.
I saw it on social.
Yeah, I no longer do Alpha Futures.
There we go, right here.
I'm just on my live account making real bank.
Oh, it's real.
Real bank.
This is higher time frame location, price trades at 26,000 to 26,050 above EQ inside premium. Entry conditions all required. Liquidity sweep up a 5-minute high.
So Turbo just found out Chat GPT can give you stats and stuff on trading and stuff. Boy found gold.
So it says, so I said, would you buy or sell? It tells me what price it's doing, which is exactly what it's doing. Mm-hmm. And it tells you higher, so this is higher probability, and it told me that this is a lower probability. Mm-hmm. That's wild. But it tells me I wait for this price point, my last week high, which is right here, correct. Sweep of that high, 5-minute change of character down, break of last high or low. Then entry and pullback, stop above sweep high. So I'll put the stop loss right here. Target back to EQ. I don't know what that means. Then strong low. I guess EQ is equilibrium.
Yeah, equilibrium.
I'll have to get my game box out. Until price taps that red zone, no shorts. And then long scenarios, right now longs are lower probability, so we're going to look more likely to do a short today. Clean hold above 26,000, so it's got to stay above there. 5-minute breaker structure up, take out last lower high, so it needs to make a lower high. Pull back that respects 26,000 as support. So right now this is a
That's a support.
that's a resistance line.
area. Yeah.
That needs to turn into a support line. Breaks below, instead of price, if breaks below 25,950 with acceptance, long idea is done. So if it goes pretty much below 26, don't even look at longs today.
This is what I need to tell y'all. Chat GPT your trades, bro. He finna make 100 bands today.
I ain't gonna lie.
Fucking trade.
If this shit, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take another picture as soon as market starts going, bananas.
Yeah.
And if it, I ain't gonna lie. If it does it,
Yeah, just wait until market open because like that's
all you gotta do is buy the full version for $20. Dude,
dude.
ain't no way. It's about. Well, I don't know. It's about to sweep here. It may go up.
All right, Turbo, tell me what you got, man. Damn. What the fuck?
We're gonna do a science experiment, right?
Science experiment.
We're using AI, Skynet, the Terminator shit.
Yeah.
Right? And it's probably gonna kill us all one day.
Damn.
But today it's gonna make us some money.
Okay.
So that's okay. I can live with that. We've been taking pictures and it's been telling us this play-by-play of what we should do. So now, market's about to open. What did we see right there, class? That is, you guessed it, that's a liquidity sweep.
Okay.
Daddy likey.
Ooh.
Okay. And then look at that, order block being mitigated if it
Okay.
gets the fuck out of there. So that we might see some chicken noodle soup today. So let's see what Chat GPT has to say.
Hey, this is gonna determine everything. Either you use AI to take a trade or you don't. Turbo gonna be a prime example today.
either it's gonna be a fuck up or it's gonna be
Got 5 more minutes till market open. What you see, man?
It just froze. Dude, you're fucking with me.
Why do that? You connected to the Wi-Fi?
Yeah. No, like the whole computer's freezing.
Ain't no UT.
Bro, ain't no fuck. Dude, if
Bro.
I get in a trade that does this shit, I'm gonna flip out.
I don't know, Turbo. Maybe that's a sign, bro.
Don't use AI.
They trying
Don't
to
use AI. Maybe that's a sign, bro. I don't know, Turbo. That may be a sign, man. NASDAQ ES. No sweeper. So, for right now, we just gonna sit and wait. Loans looking pretty decent to me today. Just let it cook, bro.
Are you ready for this?
Am I ready? You about to get in.
Get ready.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
What you was about to do?
I was about to get in. Move.
And you was going in for a sale.
Yeah, and it did exactly that. Fuck.
Damn.
If this candlestick body closes under this fair value gap, I just lost a fuckload of money.
Fuck, bro. So it told you to wait for a pullback and for a candle closer.
It just said if it hits this price zone, that's the pullback to go back in. But it hit that price zone, and it went way above that. So now, and I got in way too early. I should have waited. Now it's going back down. It's respecting it, but we still have 40 seconds, and it's kind of staying
That's a pretty bullish candle, but
yeah.
go down, girl.
What is it? Oh, it's being right now.
Go down, girl.
I'm scared, Reese. I'm shivering. No, I'm not moving it. Shiver me timbers. Shiver me timbers. Shiver me timbers,
Go
dude.
fucking down, bitch.
Shiver me timbers.
Before I shoot you up. Think about it. $20 ain't much to lose. Fuck. Okay, that was 215.
How much did I lose? 215. 230.
230. You comfortable with that? Is that your regular risk?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, dude.
And there, look, that's why I said it, because it's going right back up. But what's
Holy
it sweeping?
fuck.
I don't understand. What the fuck is it sweeping?
On my 1 minute time frame. Price is still in these bullish fair value gaps on the higher time frames. So on my 1 minute, price left behind this fair value gap here, and it tapped in. So if it disrespects it, I wait. If it close above it, then I may get in. So we gonna see if it's gonna respect this area, and then yeah.
I'll drop my hot pocket.
All right, it look like we're gonna respect this area. Yeah, we getting some respect from it.
You follow the page
So
on Facebook?
I'm just gonna get in. I'm gonna wait on the pullback. Real shit.
Damn,
All right, I'm in.
You in?
man, that shit.
Frank, you in the joint life, ain't you, Frank?
Just look at Mississippi.
You been violent, ain't you?
My y'all had that bad last year.
Man, what happened, bro?
Man, we had to go to y'all. We were running the whole. I ain't know it too that bad.
Yeah, they running one car.
No, I'm talking about.
Hey, why y'all ain't go to the dumpster? Turbo?
Huh?
Why y'all ain't go to the dumpster?
What dumpster?
Damn.
Dumpster fire?
Damn.
Like last year?
Oh, you talking about when he's like nobody there?
Nah, it was me and Phil's in there too. And the dumpster right here.
Honeypack. They be posting shit like this corrections officer dancing in the cell with the inmate recording on the phone.
I got in too late. I couldn't set my stop loss. My stop loss is set. Look like it might get hit.
You going down there with your hair?
What? I'm gonna have it's gonna
All
stay this the whole
right,
time.
that's one trade.
I'm not in just yet. I'm waiting.
I'm gonna let that bitch ride.
Think about opening up a what is
Let me go to-
bank account, Navy Federal Credit
Let me go
Union,
to some
and
profit.
Hey, I thought it was going so
yo,
going good at first.
You gonna be behind the ball.
You gonna be...
Trail it.
You didn't know my password around that way. Keep all my passwords in.
All right,
Go get them blank white cards.
I'm up, baby. I got out
Why'd you get out?
because so you know
I'm getting honey.
I did a 1 or 2 risk to reward, and it went past it, so I basically trailed it, and it came back down.
I'm in.
Go through my backpack and find it.
You went profit?
I'm in profit right now.
How much you in profit?
Well, I was at 200, but now I'm at 150, 170.
You still in? All right, I got out. That was my last trade for the day. Even though that bitch gonna run up, I'm not gonna chase it. Damn, yes sir. I told you, bro. So hold it until it get to a fair value gap. It's late. It is so late, bro. I'm about to get ready and go to sleep, man. It's 10:16 p.m. My day is pretty much over with. I entered four trades today, I believe. I gotta look back. It was 3 or 4. I think it was 3. I took 1 L and 2 W's. So the first trade I took, I think it was a loss. And then the second ones I took was a W and then another W. My account is currently at $450, something like that, $450. Week 1, day 2, bruh. And we are currently up $134 on a week. I would have to lose 5 trades to be back down on a week. So yeah, we gonna see how this gonna go, y'all. Week 3, I see some big numbers in week 3, bro. Week 3, and this month I see some decent numbers, some big numbers. So we just gonna keep our head down and keep working, bro. This is my life before fortune, bro. We paving the way, baby. We just gotta keep moving and stay focused. Peace and love. See y'all tomorrow. This is day 3 of week 1. Today's Wednesday. Right now we're looking at NASDAQ. Right now I'm not really sure on what it's gonna do. You know, we had a huge sell-off yesterday without sweeping liquidity. We just dumped without no kind of retracement. So today we're just gonna wait until market open and see what it's gonna do. Market opens in 2 minutes for me. Yesterday I made around $58. I'm currently up $134 on my account. Well, on the week. Real quick, I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. So 4-hour time frame. We got order block, these little boxes right here. I feel like price may end up coming up and retracing back to these this fair value gap here. I don't know yet though, but we gonna see. 1 hour, that's how we looking. On my 5-minute, price swept this liquidity here. On ES, it did not sweep this low right here. We're gonna see I mean, price may just have a little pump, then may have a sell-off, depending on what it sweep first. But maybe this was my entry right here, but I'm not sure though. But if it leave a fair value gap or it tap into this inverse fair value gap, well, never mind. But yeah, if we get that, then we gonna see what we gonna have, y'all. So market just open. We're gonna wait and see what it's gonna do. It should, bro, because we got these.
It's just going.
Yeah.
It's moved 130 points.
It got this these order blocks here and possibly, you know, some other stuff plus liquidity at the bottom. So
right.
It's probably gonna end up, you know, doing what it needs to do.
Look on the 5 minute, there's a huge fair value gap. It might be respecting. I think it's gonna take out that low and sweep it up. Maybe the equilibrium, which is like right there, because I thought this was an impulse yesterday, but it's a correction. It's a correction from Monday.
Right. So I'm feeling kind of bullish today, bro.
I am too. But
if we get a good reaction.
I ain't gonna lie. If it retests on that fair value and then goes back down, I might get in on a sell just for a quick little profit.
Quick little profit. Don't trade the first 5 minutes. Remember what chat said, bro.
It did. I even got it right here with me.
Oh yeah. I'm just wanting it to tap into these order blocks here, and then you know,
it may plummet all day. The news for unemployment was really bad.
It was.
They said it's been the lowest it has been in 16 years.
Really?
There we go. I'm getting in.
You getting in? What the fuck?
I guarantee it's going to go to that low. Because look at that reaction on that. Oh, wait, you know what? Hold on.
I mean, you do got a bearish fair value gap on them.
That's why I don't need to get in too early, Austin.
Yeah, bro.
Ooh, look at that. I would have just got absolutely... Ooh.
Yeah, bro. Just sit on your hands, man. Don't even... Just let it do what it got to do first, bro. How is ES looking? Whoa.
Yeah, is there any divergence?
I mean, ES didn't even sweep the low, but NQ did. So, yeah, we do have an SMT. Maybe feeling long, bro. I'm feeling longs today, bro.
Yeah, I see exactly where I enter in at that high right there, that previous high. If it goes above that, I'm setting a buy order right above it.
We may get this bullish fair value gap here. I get a tap into it, or that inverse fair value gap right there. I'll be getting in then. But we're going to see. We're going to sit on our hands and make sure.
Don't have to risk too much more.
I'm not too antsy to get in. I just really wanted it to tap into that order block on the four hour, but
I don't know, ChatGPT said it was going to be a sell kind of day. Look at, I'm in.
What you got? You got in?
Oh my goodness, I was, but then it stopped me out. My freaking stop loss is too small. It won't let me get in. Just get in.
Gotta take it easy, bro. Take it easy, brother. Let me mark out this
I'm thinking that's a clear continuation on that end. There, set that there. Boom, boom, bam. $150. We're in $200. We're making $200. Come on. Reel it in, baby. Reel it in. That's $300 right there. Come on. Reel it in.
This dude, how's it looking?
Doing a big payday. I'm still in 200s. I just needed to go to that low. Since it's kind of risky, I'm not going to risk anything, so I'm just going to literally put it right here. You bull crap. Don't tell me Trader Bait just...
What it do, bro?
I can't sell. Are you kidding me right now? It's saying Trader Bait maintenance. I can't trade on TraderView.
What?
What is it doing? Dude, I'm about to flip.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Dude, I'm about to flip out.
I'm going to go in for this long right here.
I cannot make this crap up, dude. It's not letting me sell.
Stop loss. Oh my gosh. I always be too late to set the freaking stop loss, dude.
I know. It's hard. Dude, it's going crazy. I cannot believe it just crapped itself during this. This is, I don't.
All right, I got in for a loan.
Really?
Yeah, I got a reaction off of fair value gap.
Oh, I see it now. Yep, I'm trying to get out.
I'm gonna move my stop to break even. It's a risk-free trade.
Are you kidding me?
I'm up $60.
It literally wouldn't let me cancel it. Are you kidding me right now? Was it rejected?
It rejected.
Yeah, I don't know what's his problem.
We're gonna see if we can hit this internal liquidity spot right here. I got a SMT. Let me see if I could trail my stop.
Yeah, I don't know what just happened.
We're gonna go for 16.
I just lost all that money.
Alright. That's one trade down. $16.
Yeah, I can't even trade today. It won't even let me get in.
You didn't blow. Is it because of the maintenance stuff or like what happened?
No, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I don't know what it is. I still have plenty in the account before I lose it, but right now it's just kind of, I don't know why it won't let me back in.
You didn't blow your account, did you?
No. It just says internal server error.
Alright, that's one trade down, y'all. I know we can push for a little bit more. Since we in this little range right here, I'm gonna wait until we have a breakout. We also have 9 a.m. news. That's probably why we just stuck in this little range right here. We're waiting on news to hit. All right, everybody. I am officially done with trading today, bro. We ain't taking no loss. Today, we profited around $26 today. All my trades basically hit break even, except that one that was $16. That's just because I was trailing my trailing price. And it had came back down. I was up like 70, 80 some dollars, but it had came back down and I just trailed it as it is. So I profited it $26 today. I got 2 break evens and that one small win, which I'm grateful about. I followed my rules. I did everything I was supposed to do, bro. And that feel good to me, man. That feel fucking good. Woo, baby. I learned something about myself today is that like when I'm recording or when I'm not recording, I call out what I'm actually doing in the market. So like basically thinking out loud and saying what I need to do out loud or what I want to do out loud instead of like keeping it in my head. Because when I be silent in the market, I get to thinking too much about stuff. I think too much about it and then I don't act up on it or I'll end up making a bad decision. So like today I learned that like when you speak out loud and call out your moves and stuff, then you gonna actually go through with your plan. So, and you gonna miss a lot of bad decisions as well. So that's what I learned today, and I'm gonna keep doing it. Honestly, I'm gonna keep doing it. It helped me quite a bit today, I ain't gonna lie. And I wasn't as antsy as I usually would be. So like that's a little bit of progress that I see, and I like that, and I enjoy that feeling. So hey, a win is a win, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping about it, bro. I'ma just keep this momentum up, man. Small wins compound together equals up to bigger profits over time. So, you know, I ain't gotta always hit a big move. So I ain't complaining about it, man. 5 minutes until market open. This is day 4. No, day 5. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. It's day 5, bro. We're gonna see what the market gonna provide for us today. We're gonna see what we can get from it. Yesterday, I didn't place a trade. I didn't trade yesterday, so I ain't make none yesterday. Today, Friday, we have no news today. I'm gonna just show y'all how the market looking so far and what I'm anticipating on what it may do. So this is what we looking at, 4-hour time frame, right? But we just swept this liquidity down here. The price may be moving up to these areas now. So on my 1-hour time frame, price got this 1-hour fair value gap, right? On my 5-minute, we currently sweeping this right here too. So yeah, we're gonna see how far this gonna pull back, sweep that, and then have that move down, tap into that fair value gap, and possibly get the reversal on up to these areas right here. It currently looks like we're gonna be tapping into that, and if we do, then that's a good sign for us, y'all. Now we see what it's gonna do and how it's gonna treat this fair value gap right here. So on my 4-hour, the only thing we got is this fair value gap right here. I don't know, y'all. I'm feeling like we're pretty bullish today, bro. All right, so it looked like we did get that tap. We got this fair value gap right here now. We're gonna see how this fair value gap on the 1 minute gonna hold. If it hold, I may go in for that long, y'all. I'm gonna go on in for this long. I got my stop loss. This will be messing me up, bruh. Confirm that. We're gonna let this ride probably to this fair value gap right here, y'all. I'm gonna move my stop up to break even now. Just a risk-free trade. We currently inside that fair value gap. We're gonna see the push we're gonna have. We're gonna see if we can have a good push. Let me move my fair. I'm gonna move that on up to about here. That way I'll make a good profit. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna take that and run with it. That's the most I've made in one trade my whole trading career. That trade alone was $100-something. I gotta go check and see. That's gonna be my trade today. That's how far I was gonna hold it, just because we in that fair value gap. I could have kept going for these highs right here, but I wasn't gonna be greedy, because that fair value gap actually it kind of like just scared me away from it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take what I have, and I'm very grateful for it. I made $130 today, y'all. My account is up $592 fucking dollars, bro. I started with $100, dude. Actually, my emotions was good. I wasn't nervous. I dove in. I didn't second guess myself. I saw the reaction it was having off this 1 minute fair value gap. I knew that it was gonna have that little push because we got this internal liquidity right here, and plus on the 5 minute there was liquidity at the top. Only thing that stopped me from staying in was that fair value gap right there. That's the only thing that stopped me from letting it run. Yeah, we at $592. After they take commission fees and all that, I'm gonna probably be at like $580 something. I guess I'll just end this episode off right here, bro. Honestly, man, y'all stay tuned, bro, and stay peaceful. Do what you want to do in life, bro. Work hard, man. Don't give up. Be grateful for what you have as well. So, man, y'all just stay tuned, bro.